Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to be attempting the chapter ratio. So let's get started. The question is 500 ratio 200 ratio 75. So we are going to we're going to divide these three numbers with 5. So 5 here, 500 in here, 5 ones are 5 minus 0, and these two zeros will come up, meaning it would be 100. So the answer is 100. 100 ratio, we're going to write 5 here, 200 here. So 5 fours are 20 minus 0. This 0 will come up, meaning it would be 40. So we are going to write 40 here. We are going to write 5 here, and we are going to write 75 here. So 5 ones are 5 minus 2 will come down, 5 will also come down, so it would be 5 fives are 25 minus 0. So the answer is 15. So ratio 15. Now we are going to divide all these three numbers with 5 again. So we will write 100 here, 5 here, 5 twos are 10 minus 0, 0. This 0 will go up, that would be 20. So we will write 20 right here. Ratio 5 8s are 40. So we are going to write 8 here. Ratio 5 3s are 15. So the answer is 8. The answer is 20 ratio 8 ratio 3. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and liking. I'll see you next time, inshallah. Allah Hafiz.